Okay, so here's what we got going on right now. This question tripped up Mr. McGinnis. He actually has to make a second recording, so that's what you're hearing right now. So I'm going to work through it with you guys, okay? This question, the first thing I would do if I was doing it, I would look at the question. What is it asking? It's asking which spacesuit would provide the astronauts with protection in a wide variety of situations, okay? And then it lists off the spacesuits, the Apollo, the Gemini, the Mercury, and the Space Shuttle spacesuit. Space Shuttle spacesuit. So let's read the reading together. The first spacesuits were worn by the Mercury astronauts. These suits were pressurized and provided oxygen through a hose attached to the spacecraft. All right, so that's the Mercury. Okay, then we upgraded, just like an iPad, okay, the iOS or the iPhone. So the Gemini astronauts also wore spacecraft suits that had a hose connecting them to the spacecraft. These astronauts did not have their own life support equipment. All right, so the Gemini upgraded a little bit, but now we're going to upgrade to the Apollo. However, the Apollo astronauts wore spacesuits that had individual life support systems and boots. The orange spacesuits worn by the Space Shuttle astronauts had individual life support systems, a parachute, a pressurized helmet, and a flotation system. All right, so wow, major upgrade. So then which spacesuit would provide the astronauts with protection in a wide variety of situations? Okay, they try to trick you with this one. So the Apollo was the name of a spacesuit. The Gemini was the name of a spacesuit. The Mercury as well. But then they said the orange spacesuits worn by the Space Shuttle astronauts. Okay, and these are the ones that are most upgraded. So the Space Shuttle, all right, while that's not an actual suit, it is associated with the orange spacesuits that had individual life support system, a parachute, a pressurized helmet, and a flotation system. So our answer should be D, okay? That would provide the wide variety of situation protection. This was a tricky question, and that's why we're going over these, so we can get them right when it comes down to benchmark time.